In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export reports from Xero. Whether you're managing finances for a small business or you're part of a larger organization, being able to export reports efficiently can streamline your bookkeeping process and make data analysis much easier. So let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Xero account and are on the main dashboard. This is your central hub where you can access various financial tools and features. Once you're on the main dashboard, look towards the top menu to locate the Accounting tab. This is where you'll find a series of options pertinent to your financial records and books. Click on Accounting, and from the drop-down list, select Chart of Accounts. This section functions like a digital filing cabinet for all your financial data and allows you to see a detailed record of your transactions, categorized for ease of use. Now, to access reports, you'll need to look for the Reports option within this area. When you find it, click on it to view a range of reporting options available to you. Xero offers various types of reports, each designed to offer insights into different aspects of your business, such as cash flow, profit and loss, or balance sheets. Take a moment here to decide which specific report you need to export. This choice will depend on your particular need or the audience for the report. So choose carefully to ensure that the data is as relevant and useful as possible. Now that you have identified the report you want to export, direct your attention to the Export button. Usually, you'll find this situated towards the bottom right corner of the screen. Clicking on this button opens up options for exporting your data into different file formats. You might choose CSV for data manipulation and spreadsheet software, Excel for broader compatibility with Microsoft Office, or PDF for a format that's easy to share and hard to alter. Select the file format that suits your needs best. Now, it's time to complete the export process. Depending on the format you've chosen, your file should begin downloading automatically to your device. If prompted, make sure you save it to a location that's easy to remember so you can return to it without any hassle. Congratulations! You now know how to navigate your way through Xero's dashboard to export the reports you need, an invaluable skill that helps ensure you always have the data you need when you need it. Remember, having quick access to financial reports can aid in making informed business decisions, so don't hesitate to use this feature frequently. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.